What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to match up and sync two different audio sources to be on the exact same levels. So if you're working on a project and you have some better quality audio you've recorded, I'm going to show you how to replace that with the existing maybe bad audio that's on your video from the in-camera mic. Now let's get started. Now if you enjoy watching these videos and you want to see more like it, please subscribe to the channel because I'm constantly creating new content. Okay, so I'm going to show you two ways to do this. The first way is the way I do most of the time. Okay, so I have a nice little piece of video here from my backyard. It's a nice little foresty area. And I have a video clip, but I recorded the audio just from the internal microphone on the camera. And obviously they're never very good. But then I also, you can see in the audio track 2, I have a separate track of audio that I recorded with my Yeti microphone that's nice and clean. So I'm going to match them up to make sure they're exactly the same. I'm going to then replace the better quality audio and get rid of the bad quality audio. So let me show you the difference. I'm going to play it here. Here's I have my Canon camera recording my backyard in the woods, and it's also recording the on. So obviously the sound is awful, to be honest. So I'm going to mute that track that's connected to the video, and I'm going to unmute the track that I recorded separately. Here's I have my Canon camera recording my backyard in the woods, and it's also recording the onboard mic. So you can see obviously that's a much better source. So let's focus now on linking them together. You can literally just grab, lasso them together. If you hover over and push right mouse click, head up to where it says synchronize. And you're going to get this kind of synchronized clip tab. And there's a few different things that need to be clicked, but make sure the very bottom is solid where it says audio, because you don't want to sync it with the start of the clip or the end or the time code. You want it to be to match the audio wavelengths. So make sure that is solid, and then you're going to hit OK. And you're going to see the computer do it. So it goes through and it reads all the waves in the audio and matches them up perfectly. So you can tell by all the different motions here that it's matched up exactly the same. So you can do a few different things. You can obviously just leave this muted, or if you want, you can actually just delete the track itself like this, and then just use this, and then you're good to go. I'll unmute that. I have my Canon camera recording my backyard in the woods, and it's also so you can do it that way. I'm going to undo that. Or there's another way to do it. Head over here to the project panel, and you can notice I have that video with the audio from outside, and then I have this separate audio from my Yeti X that's much cleaner and crisper. You can kind of lasso both of those together, and if you right mouse click and then head down here underneath the proxy where it says merge clips, if you click merge clips, it's going to give you the similar type of window here, and do the same thing. You want the audio to be solid, and also if you want to remove the clip from the audio visual, so what that's saying is essentially the bad audio that's connected to the video, you want to remove that and replace it with the audio that's already linked up. So if I have that clicked and put yes, so you're going to see over here it kind of made a new clip. So it merged these clips, it merged the good audio and replaced it with the bad audio. So now let's move this down a little further, and if we bring this one clip over, you're going to see the audio, the good audio is already included. Here's I have my Canon camera recording my backyard in the woods. So by doing it there, it created a separate clip, and then you have a new clip with the proper audio that you want, and it's deleted the bad audio. Well, those are two different ways you can do it to merge audio and sync it up correctly so you can get rid of the bad and keep the good audio. And Premiere Pro does a fantastic job of syncing them up correctly, and this is very helpful when you work on a project that you have two sources of audio and you want to pick the best one. Anyway, I hope this helped. If you enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. That being said, have a great day. Later.